Smoke alarms save lives. As this footage from TVNZ's 7 Sharp shows.
If you don't have that early warning, the chances are you won't make it out.
But didn't we all find that incredible to see how quickly that smoke alarm went off? Basically, as soon as that fire was lit, the smoke alarm was sounding. They're very effective.
They are effective, they're a lifesaver.
It's been nearly 2 years since smoke alarms became compulsory in rental properties. And while most rental properties in New Zealand will be compliant by now, there are still some landlords who continue to ignore this law. The 2016 smoke alarm regulations of the Residential Tenancies Act state that all smoke alarms must be installed within 3 metres of each bedroom door or in every room where a person sleeps, in each level or storey of a multi-storey or multi-level home, in all rental homes, boarding houses, rental caravans and self-contained sleep-outs. And all these smoke alarms must be photoelectric, have a battery life of at least 8 years or be hardwired, installed according to the manufacturer's instructions and meet international standards. Landlords must ensure smoke alarms are in working order, they are working at the start of each new tenancy, and that a smoke alarm statement is displayed in the tenancy agreement. Tenants must not damage, remove or disconnect the smoke alarm, replace dead batteries during the tenancy if they are the older style smoke alarms with replaceable batteries, and let the landlord know if there are any problems with the smoke alarm as soon as possible. Landlords and tenants who fail to comply with these regulations are liable for a fine of up to $4,000.